Hello there, this is Flor again, and I'm just here to share some benefits of digital business. And one of the benefits of digital business is having a legacy. We have the legacy to pass this business to our loved ones. So usually, the only business that you can pass a legacy are the business with big names or big company. And this business is just a small business. The digital business that we are offering are just a small business, but it's big and it has a big potential for anyone who wants to join this business. So, ano po yung legacy nyo? Yung legacy po, ang ibig po sabihin to ay pwede mo pong maipamana at wala pong mawawala. Kung ano po yung sinimulan ninyo, yun din po ang makukuha ng mga anak nyo o ng mga loved ones nyo na pagbibigyan ninyo ng business. Wala pong mababawas dahil lahat po yun ay sa inyo, pinaghirapan nyo at iyon lang po ay mapupunta sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay. So, yun po ang business na ino-offer namin sa inyo. Hindi lang po ito fun, pero may legacy rin po. So, iilang business lang po ang makakapagbigay ng legacy unless na napakalaki po ng inyong kumpanya. But this business is just small, but you can have a legacy to pass on. At kung naiisip po ninyo na huli na po or it's too late to join because they are already grown or big, nagkakamali po kayo because in fact, our fourth and fifth income stream are just starting. So it's not too late and it's exciting days. And by the way, I want to congratulate our team for starting a big bang in the month of June. Congratulations, team. And I know that there are more blessings to come through this business, through our business. So, we thank God for every blessing na pinagkaloob niya sa amin. And at the same time, mayroon din po kaming qualification na gusto po namin hanapin sa taong mag-join sa amin. Number one po ay God-fearing. Number two is that person should be coachable. And number three, the person should have big dreams and he or she is willing to make her dreams come to reality. So, yun lang pong tatlo ang taong hinahanap namin for those who want to join our team. So, if you're interested to learn more, just head on to our website at www.ofbonlinemarketing.com or tap the Learn More button in order for you to access our live webinar. Today is Friday and our webinar will start at 11 o'clock Australian Eastern Standard Time. So, if you're interested, just visit my website, register your name and your email, and then we will give you an access to our live webinar. Okay, see you there, and God bless, and happy Friday! Thank you!